Thank you, Mother. Mother Nature. Just what I wanted for my birthday. Woo! Hope we don't wash any kids out of into the stream. Keep Kimmy out the well. But yeah, you know I like the rain. Big fan of the moist. Falls from the sky sometimes. I should watch some news. I haven't watched any news this 49th year. But I don't know, you seem to be doing okay without me watching the news. Hear that thunder? Come on, Seattle, you don't really understand that, do you? Pretty nice. Look at that fucking, gosh, cow on a flat rock, dude. Don't tell me that ain't. Oh yeah, crack. Haha. Time to go running around with a freaking steel pole. Look at that on the street. That's fucking good on the street. Oh my. Kimmy, out of the well. Poor Speck the dog is gonna hate this. Speck is not a big fan of any kind of noise. Oh, look, there's somebody that's actually brave enough to drive. I mean, I should go for a bike ride, huh? Get me some, yeah, bike ride, man. Because this doesn't happen a lot. Well, I don't know. Charles says it happens a lot, but I don't believe him. But, you know, he wouldn't lie to me. Never. Woo! Kaboom! Where's the lightning? I guess we gotta wait till later for the lightning to come out. I did not hear about this. Chicago, why did you not tell me? Look at that. That's pretty torrential. Yeah, look at that on the street over there. Woo! Yeah, Chicago is my weather lately. Pretty hot. My sister thinks he's giant. And she might be. But then I thought Ginger G was tiny. And she's like 5'7". But Chicago might be like huge. I mean, it's Texas. So everything's bigger in Texas, including weather ladies, I'm thinking. Look at that, though. Can you hear that? Am I holding my finger over the microphone? How about the porta potty? Or Job Johnny? Or... Oh! Getting damp out here. Nice. Not gonna have to take a shower, I guess. Yeah, woo! Woo! Texas, man. Oh my goodness. I know you don't want to let me go. You're trying to show me that, hey, you just stay, but you know, I'm thinking about all the other people. I understand. He wants to keep me, but I'm gonna run out of beer though. Gonna have to travel for more in this downpour. Like, if it'll ever stop. No, it's gonna be 40 days, isn't it? Fuck. Alright. Well, we'll see. Almost 5 minutes there. I do like to keep it to 5 minutes. Look at that, dripping down. Should I clear the? Yeah, I don't miss